everybody. Yesterday we celebrated our nation's 79th Independence Day. On the same day, the Indian government made a good announcement for road travelers. A system was introduced for Fastag users to have a 1-year pass for 3,000 rupees. So, what is this yearly pass? We all know what a Fastag is. Vehicle owners with such a Fastag account can activate a system called Annual Pass in the same Fastag. If they do so, they can travel through NH toll plazas for an entire year without any additional charges. Note, for 1 year or a total of 200 times of toll use, whichever happens first. How to enable the Annual Pass? We can activate this Annual Pass through the Indian government's app called Rajmarg Yatra. The links for the Android and iOS apps have been provided in the comment section. After installing this app, log in using your phone number. After that, select the Annual Pass option from the home page. From the screen, you can also find out which toll plazas you can use this pass at. To do this, click the Eligible Toll Plazas option and search. Now, let's come to the Annual Pass screen. Click the Activate button. Now, enter your car, jeep or van number here. If the vehicle is eligible, we will get the option to validate. If our vehicle details are correct, click the Validate option. Once this is confirmed via OTP, you will be taken to the Payment option. Pay 3,000 rupees and confirm. The Annual Pass mode will be activated in your Fastag within 2 hours with payment confirmation. How to use it? We don't have to do anything special. When you pass through eligible NH toll plazas, instead of the toll amount being charged, you will get a message saying your annual pass has been used. In the Rajmarg Yatra app, the details of our usage will also be updated. Information on how many trips are many, etc. will also be available here. Hope this video was helpful in understanding how to activate Fastag Annual Pass mode. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned on our channel for more auto news and stay tuned. Bye.